Welcome, I am Dr. Sandeep Bhasin from Cryolipolysis Medical Center. Today we are going to discuss about cryolipolysis or cool sculpting. Well, what's cryolipolysis? Cryo means cool and low temperature, lipolysis means dissolving of fat. So this is a procedure where we dissolve fat non-surgically, exposing the fat to a very low temperature. The principle of this procedure is at low temperature, near 0 or -1, -2 degree, the fat cells are the first one to get damaged as compared to the skin or the muscles. So in this procedure, we expose the fat cells to a low temperature for about 30 to 60 minutes, and that causes the dissolution of the fat cells. Well, which areas can be targeted? We can target the love handles, the abdomen, the double chin, the neck, thighs, or any area of the body which is having pouches of fat which are resistant to gymming, exercising or dieting, and you tried everything and still you are not able to reduce the fat from those pouches. The best part is the treatment is totally non-surgical, it is absolutely safe, there are no requirement of any anesthesia, it is totally painless, and after all the complications are minimal with this treatment. Well, the people are opting, more and more people are opting for cryolipolysis for inch loss and body contouring. And now I'll show you an animation of how do we do this procedure called cryolipolysis. This is the animation of cryosculpting or cool sculpting. This is the applicator which is sucking the fat with the skin up, and the cooling is being applied to the skin and to the fat. The cooling is of the level that it causes damage to the fat cells but not to the skin or underlying muscles. Because of the cooling, the fat cells undergo a natural death called apoptosis. And because of this apoptosis or natural death, the fat cells are removed from the body in the coming time. And as a result of this apoptosis, the shrinkage in the fat, with the coming days you can see an inch loss happening in the area where the cryolipolysis has been given. Now this takes 90 days for the result to come to give us evidence of inch loss from the area where cryolipolysis has been done. So after 90 days, if we follow a right diet, we can see a good inch loss. Okay, now we have seen what is the procedure of cryolipolysis. Post-operative, post this procedure, the client goes back home within the same sitting. In fact, it is called a lunchtime procedure. The client comes during the lunchtime, has the procedure in an hour's time and goes back the same sitting, same day back. And the best part is there are no much complications. What you can expect in some cases mild edema or mild redness which goes away in about a week's time. And the result, as I told, would come about in 3 months' time. What is really important is in this 3 months' time, you don't have to repeat this cryolipolysis in the same area. So wherever we give cryolipolysis, one sitting is sufficient for that area to reduce fat. Now, just few words. We have got one of the best team, best equipment, and the rates are one of the most economical rates. So I just hope that we'll again meet and give you some good services, coming back and meeting you again. Thank you. I am Dr. Sandeep here.